There are various things you can do right now to increase your online safety. To begin, think about installing and routinely upgrading antivirus software. This is critical for safeguarding your device from malware and other dangers. There are numerous antivirus solutions available, both free and paid, so study user reviews to select a trustworthy and effective option. It's critical to keep your antivirus up to date since new dangers emerge all the time and your antivirus must be ready to defend you from them. Many antivirus solutions provide automated updates, which can save you time and limit the possibility of mistakes. Additionally, scan your device on a regular basis to identify and eliminate any potential dangers. Next, make sure that each of your accounts has a strong, unique password. When many accounts use the same password, they are all vulnerable to compromise. If you reuse passwords, cybercriminals can quickly access your sensitive information. Thus, it's crucial to use a unique password for each login to avoid password reuse attacks. This is especially critical for accounts that are unrelated to one another, such as email, social media, and banking. Passwords can be tough to remember, so utilizing a password manager to help you develop and store secure passwords may be beneficial. A strong password should be at least 8 characters long and contain letters, numbers, and symbols. Instead of using a single word like password, you can build a passphrase. It's also a good idea to keep your passwords up to date and to avoid choosing passwords that are easy to guess, such as personal information or frequent terms. Another thing you can do to increase your internet security is to utilize a VPN. VPNs encrypt your internet connection and route it through a secure server, making it harder for third parties to monitor or intercept your activity. VPNs can shield your Wi-Fi connection from intruders while also masking your IP address and location. Before making a decision, choose a reputable VPN company and read reviews. To facilitate internet encryption, several VPNs provide mobile apps for various devices as well as browser add-ons. When utilizing public Wi-Fi or accessing sensitive information, employing a VPN is extremely vital because these networks are frequently vulnerable to attack. Another technique you may use to strengthen the security of your accounts is multi-factor authentication. MFA necessitates the use of several methods to validate your identity during login or transactions, hence preventing illegal access. MFA approaches include something you know, something you have, and something you are. Passwords and SMS codes are common MFA systems, as are fingerprint scans with security tokens. Enable MFA on websites and online services wherever possible, since it can help secure your email, social media, and finances. Even if passwords are not necessary, they should be used to protect your personal and financial information and avoid identity theft. Although some websites or online services may not require a password, employing one can protect your account. Similarly, while certain gadgets or programs do not require a password, using one to prevent unwanted access is a smart idea. Make a password that is both strong and tough to guess. A strong password should be at least 8 characters long and contain letters, numerals, and special characters. You can also use a passphrase rather than a single word, such as password or your name. Another key part of online safety is safe browsing. Use HTTPS websites only, which are more secure than HTTP websites, and avoid suspicious websites that may contain dangerous content. Secure browsing and the usage of strong passwords can aid in the prevention of cybercrime and illegal account access. To prevent illegal access, you should also use your mobile device's security capabilities, such as a screen lock or biometric authentication. Keep your device up to speed with the most recent software and security fixes. In addition to these steps, you may want to consider extra security measures such as using two-factor authentication, configuring a firewall to protect your device from external threats, and routinely backing up your data in case of a data breach or device loss. You may dramatically improve your online safety and secure your personal and financial information by taking these and other precautions. It's also a good idea to stay up to date on online risks, and to evaluate your privacy settings on social media and other online services on a frequent basis. This might help you keep aware of potential threats and take precautions. For example, you may want to change your privacy settings to reduce the amount of personal information that is publicly viewable, or you may want to enable notifications to warn you of suspicious activity on your accounts. Overall, implementing these precautions can assist you in remaining safe online and protecting your personal and financial information from fraudsters and other risks. To ensure that you are appropriately secured, it is critical to be proactive and examine your online safety procedures on a frequent basis. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I sincerely hope you found it informative and useful.